disconnect the connector. There's a lock tab on here. Just slide that lock tab back, and then you can push on the lock, slide the connector out, just push down on that. There's a 10mm bolt. Use a 10mm socket and take that out. Just loosen it up. Take that bolt out and grab the sensor. You can wiggle it a little bit, rock it back and forth. You should be able to slide it out, just like that. Now slide the sensor back in position. And you can lightly rock it back and forth a little bit. Try to get that O-ring in, and that's good. Put the bolt in. Get it started and tighten it down. Snug that down. If you can get a torque wrench in there, torque that bolt to 89 inch-pounds. Yep. Line the connector up. Lock it down, and then push down on the lock.